The first dishwasher was invented in 1886 by Josephine Cochrane to prevent her fine chinaware from breaking during hand washing. The world's largest dishwasher, used in commercial settings, can wash up to 20,000 dishes per hour. Bosch introduced the first built-in dishwasher for home use in 1964. Dishwashers with soil sensors adjust the water usage and cycle length based on the level of dirtiness. The average dishwasher uses less water than hand washing, making it a more water-efficient option for cleaning dishes.